Now we will make all the correct installation and the connections that we need to do before anything happens with this laser. So the first thing is to add the water. This is the correct connection. So this pipe is only for the water because it opens the valve here. And the upper valve is for letting water in, the down valve is for letting water out. You will see the water increasing slowly in this window. So the red dot, of course, indicates a correct level, but then it will have to be adjusted later. So please just fill in the water until you reach the red dot. The correct quantity is 1.7 liters. And as you see now, we are a bit above the red dot, which is still okay. We disconnect the pipe. Now we connect the pedal. The pedal has to be connected here. It's this peripheral that you will usually find on printers. Just screw it in, pedal is connected. Now we connect the air compressor. This is for the air, and this, when needed, which means when you will have to weld the titanium, for example, this is the argon connection. So this is the air, this is the argon. As you see, it's already clearly indicated. And that's it for the connections on the back.